Okay, friends, I'm out in nature on a walk and I'm looking for things to put in my nature journal. So already I found a lizard, a orb weaver. Oh, it was an alligator lizard. A couple of orb weaver spiders, and also ladybugs in different stages of their life cycle. And so I want to encourage you to get out and go for a nature walk, especially in the evenings, because that's when a lot of creatures like to come out. I've seen a ton of wildflowers also. A lot of them are not totally out yet. And to really draw what you notice. And it's really good also to get really close to things and see if you notice anything. Like, let me show you something that we just found. Look at this cool, wow, this is amazing caterpillar. Oh, get out of here. So, all of these amazing things that you can see. And is this one, do you think it's weaving the silk? This like web? There's all this like silk. So that's my wondering in my nature journal when I'm going to write about this. I'm going to write that I noticed this really cool caterpillar with red spikes or like orange spikes. It has these really long, really cool. I'm going to actually take a picture while I'm doing this. Really long, like front little proboscis things. Antennas, not a proboscis. And so my wondering is going to be about the silk that's next to it, or like the web that's next to it.